Hello friend, let's check our products. This one is the mobile phone security display stand. Okay, this is the alarm host, and this is the sensor cable. This one, sensor cable, and this one is the power cable. This one is plug. This one is charging cable for the mobile phone. This one is remote controller. This is manual. Okay, let's get started. The first step, okay, because this one is the European standard, so I need to use this one is for China. Okay, the first step we connect this power cable here, here. Power cable. Okay, and connect this plug. Okay, and we connect the power. You can hear the sound, and generally we will here is the tape. We will tear it and attach on the table, but here I just let you know the theory, so I just keep it. And this part also we will tear this tape and attach the mobile phone. Okay, so here I just show you and put it on the table and attach the mobile phone, and now the alarm is set. And if we take away the mobile phone, it will make this sound. So we need to use this remote controller to stop the sound. And we press this button, stop, and that's it. And also, when the alarm is set, and if we try to take this device from the table, it make the sound too. And here this cable is the charging cable. It will charge mobile phone. We just connect it. And see, now it's charging. So that's it. It's that. Okay. Because just now this cable is unplugged, so it will make the sounds too. See, this plug. Okay, thank you.